Hey dad, I feel like I'm stuck in this endless routine. It's like I keep running on a wheel like a rat.
Why do you feel the need to change something that's already working for you? Ça passé.
Just just le fais de façon qui est différente.
Petite moi, songez. We all end up the same by trying too hard to be different. Pas don't be not pièce ça. Listen, keep your routine. And if the repetition tires you, just take a pause, okay?